Welcome to my channel, your learning channel for ICT. I'm your teacher Florence. This time I'll be doing some coding for you. Just watch this video, then listen to the lesson. Welcome. It's a great animation. Watch. What a great animation. Now for the lesson. Hello. So let's start coding. First, we choose our sprite, okay? As you can see, once we open the Scratch program, we have the cat sprite there. So we are going to delete the cat sprite, okay? So I'm going to delete the cat sprite and go and look for another sprite. I'll choose a sprite. We had Andy, so I'll look for Andy. It is the boy on the wheelchair, okay? So he's here. Andy is here. So I'll click on Andy. I have him here. Then I'll choose my backdrop. Let's do it. So we'll take the basketball courts. He's there, Andy in the basketball courts. Then I'll choose another sprite. This is for the ball, okay? The basketball, okay? So there we are. So my basketball, I'll make it a bit smaller, okay? So the basketball is in blue now. I'll make it to size 60 so that it's the same size as the one Andy is carrying, okay? That will be 60. So you can see the basketball is almost the same size. Okay, so we want to start coding. So we'll click on Andy first, okay? So we want Andy to move and to score, okay? So let me show you how we do it. First, so we'll remove, we'll just leave it like that, okay? We'll do, okay, now let's start. So I use my purple blocks, okay? Purple and control. So I picked a control, click on control and put a weight, okay? Then as we looked here, click here on costumes, you can see that Andy has 4 costumes. One holding the ball, the one showing he's throwing the ball. So I have this one which is holding the ball is on his knees, and we have this one where he's cheering, okay? We are going to use 3 costumes, okay? So let's go back to code. So I'll go back to looks and click on switch costume, and I'll put costume C, okay? So costume C. So it's the one which Andy is holding the ball, okay? Then I'll go back and pick a weight and choose weight. So what I can do simply is duplicate these codes, okay? Using my right mouse, I'll click duplicate. So I'll duplicate 4 times. Then the second time, duplicate. I need to 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need 4 costumes. So again, duplicates. So there we are. So all I need now is changing the costume. So here, after 1 second, I'll change it to B. Then here, I'll change it again to D. Then here, again, I'll change it to D. Okay, it'll make to D. So I have C, B, and D, okay? Hope you're paying attention. Then I'll go now, I want Andy to move. So like here, I can see Andy is on. We'll go to motion so that when he's celebrating, he's moving, okay? So I'll take glides. So right now, we can see he's at, he was at that point, okay? He's at, we want him to be here. So you can see glides. We'll pick on this first glide. Then we move him to there. Then we pick the other glide. You can see the glide shows the direction where he is on our X and Y axis, okay? So we'll pick glides. This one, the first one. Then we'll take our weights. We'll make him wait 0.5 seconds. Then we'll join the other block so he goes back to where he started, okay? This is the one which is where he was standing in the first place. Okay, so then we'll switch costume to A. Okay, we'll take a switch costume so that he's back to the first costume. So we'll switch costume to A. That's right. I hope you followed up here on my coding. Then I'll take a repeat so that he seems like he's dancing. So I'll take a control which says repeat. So we'll put it here after the last switch costume, join it there and let him just repeat once. Okay, then let's see whether, let's go to events and pick a flag. Okay, now so let's get ready and see what happens. Let's see, let's flag. Okay, very good. So we can see we have our second sprite, which is the ball, which does not move, but we can see that Andy is going to position. Then he's celebrating. Okay, so we need to change his first position and put him in the middle. Okay, so Andy has to start here. So let's see, let's do it again and see where we can make corrections. So let's start it again. So we can see we need to change his position so that he's going directly to the net. Okay, so let's change here. So he's supposed to be here. This the code should be, he should be at negative 82. So I want to put change the code here, so I'll just put it to be at 1, and here I'll change it to negative 82. Okay, so let's see again. Let's see again. Okay. Okay then. So now we need to do the coding on the basketball. So let me show you what's our trick. Okay. So the first will be hide. Okay. So you can see the ball now, so we don't need to see it for now. So we'll go to looks and click on hide. Okay. First we start with hide, then we'll go to, okay, where we want the ball to be. So we'll go to, click on motion blocks. We want him to be on, so I'll change the code here for you. We want him to be on 8 and Y on 17. The position we want him to be. Okay, and the ball to be there. Then we'll have to wait, speaker waits. So we wait 2 seconds, then show. Okay, we click on show, then we'll go back and wait, control wait, we'll wait 1 second, then we'll go up here. We need the ball to go up here, so I'll take the ball here and move it there. So once it's here, we'll pick a motion block which shows the position there. Okay, so it will go to 119, glides to. Okay, it will be go to. Okay, then wait here, then we'll hide again, go hide, then we'll pick a weight. We go to weights. Yeah, I hope you're keeping up with me. Then show again. So we'll show once the ball is down. So the ball has to glide down again. So I'll pick a glide. So the ball has to go down here in the middle here. The ball has to go back here. Okay. So to make it go down here, I'll pick a glide. I'll go back to motion, the blue blocks, and pick glide to 0. It's supposed to be 0, 0, 0, 0. It's supposed to be in the middle, complete middle. So let's see, it's supposed to be in the middle. Okay. So we'll take glide to X. Okay. Then wait. That's the orange blocks. Then put a weight there. So we'll wait just 0.1 seconds so that he picks the ball. Then hide. Okay. Hide. Wow. So you can see we have used 3 different blocks. We've used looks, motion, and control. So we need to create an event. So we'll click on events so that the flag, when it is flagged, we can see our code starts to work. Okay. So let's click on the flag and see. Wonderful. You can see that our code is working. So the only remaining thing is the sound effects. We don't have any sound effects. So we'll go back to, we can click back on Andy and put the sound codes here. Okay. So I used the sound, okay, the pink block. So I said play sounds, the first one. So the first sound I said play the whistle. So it was the whistle. So then once I pick this pink block, I'll click on the sounds tab here up here so that I look for the, then add, choose a sound here. You can see down here you have this tool which allows you to choose a sound. So I'll go to spots, then I'll say referee whistle. Okay, a referee whistle. So I'll then click back here and select the referee whistle. Then once I put the referee whistle, the next one was wait. Then it was wait to say 1, 2 until some Andy dancer shoots the ball. 1, 2, 3. So it was 3 seconds. Then again we'll go back to looks and play sound. So we'll say play basketball bounce. Then I'll go back again to weights, pick up control weights. After the bounce, then there is the cheer. Yeah, I think it's 0.5 seconds. Let's put 0.5. Then we'll go back to sound. Then select this tab. Select a block. Play sound. Start sound. Then I'll go here to sounds again and use this tool here. Then I'll go to voice. Okay, I hope you can see. So we'll go to gold chair. Then go back to click on the code and click back here on the small arrow here and put gold chair. Next we'll create an event. There we are. So let's flag and see. That was wonderful. Okay, you can see that we have managed to do, Andy has managed to do an animation, Andy's dunk. Then we can give it a title here. You can see, whoa, Andy scores. Okay, then there we are. Then I can go to full screen here. Then start the code using the flag. There we are. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye, and practice. Okay, bye bye.